Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to delete the pin on your Pinterest account. I'm just going to show in this video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
So how to delete a pin in your Pinterest, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, select the pin, you just need to delete it. Then now you just need to click on the three dot option on the bottom section, and here you can find an option called edit. You can't find an option called edit here. So click on the edit option. After click on the edit option, you can see a recycle bin symbol on the bottom section here on the left side bottom. Click on the delete option, which shows if you delete this pin, it will be gone for good, and those who save it won't be able to view it. Okay, then just click on the delete option, your pin will be deleted. This is how you just delete your pin on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.